Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for Box Break 124 for a single box of 1112 anthology. The time is just after midnight, 12:04, June 3rd. And so the break finished just a couple hours ago. Still waiting for a few payments, which is why there will be a gap. I'm not going to be able to mail this link out until the evening of Monday after work and such. But obviously you will know that because you will not receive the link. There we go. And I want to wish everybody the very best of luck. Alright, so for the Stars, a Matt Fraser Pinnacle rookie. A Marcus Kruger rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks. Get Pinnacle inserts out of the way early. For the Oilers, Calder Contenders out of 9.99, Anton Lander. For the Ottawa Senators, Phenoms of Colin Greening. This was from Limited and it's out of $2.99. One more base cards, of course. This is going to be random between Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, as you can see. Dustin Jeffrey, Harry Zolnacek. So that is going to be random as I get through the rest of these packs. From Crown Royal for the Ducks, Euro Turkey. For the Blackhawks, Dylan Olsen, Pinnacle rookie. For the Vancouver Canucks, Zach Kassian at a $4.99 dual jersey autograph or rookie treasures. Second to last pack before we do the topper. For the Flyers, Eric Gustafsson, Pinnacle rookie. And draft year. This is the oldest one that I've seen from 1988. This is going to be random between the Stars and the. Well, and actually, this is the old Winnipeg Jets. Selene Medano. So because it is the old Jets. Ooh, I shouldn't be doing these at midnight. So yeah, Stars and Coyotes. Just trying to remember my own rules, but yeah, Stars, Coyotes. And lastly, folks, our box topper. We have a jersey stick combo from Luxury Suite of Marion Gaborik and the Rangers. Alright, so bear with me for a sec. It's going to get the random set up. Alright, so the randoms are going to happen. There's going to be 3 randomizations. The team in the number 1 position after that will receive the card. So, first of all, it is the rookie rivalry, Dustin Jeffrey, Harry Zolnarchuk, the Pittsburgh Philly. 1, 2, and last. So the Pittsburgh Penguins will receive that card. And then the Selene Medano draft year. 1, 2. And that's going to go to the Stars with Mike Medano. So, thanks to everybody for your participation. I know a lot of the people watching this break are in the break for these other 2 boxes, so I'm going to get onto those right away. Thanks again.